Hey friends, we have again with a very simple topic but very important. Nowadays everyone is in hurry and suddenly few smart people, what they do? They just copy paste a shortcut file in pen drive and they say go and take, and when you open the file in your other office and you see it's a shortcut file, or in your printer, when you go to a printer and in the printer suddenly sees a shortcut file, he says please go and bring a proper file. So what's the basically idea about it? See, what you have to do, just a very simple thing. Suppose this is a pen drive. This is someone's pen drive. You have to just simply do right click on this, on the document, copy it, go to the pen drive folder. I'm just showing my desktop only, and just go to paste. See, it's properly pasted, and now I'm going to show you the wrong one. If suppose you go to means right click over here and you suddenly go to shortcut. Supposedly I'm just going, I'll just show you a few simple things. Suppose suppose to folder. Okay, I just see, suppose this file I'm going to send to desktop. See, just minimizing it. See see the problem. What is the problem over here? See this document. Can you see anything, any icon over here? No, nothing. Okay, and see what's the icon over here. This icon is for a shortcut file which has no value for it. The original file has the main value. It's not just this file, it's any of the file or folder. It also gets this, suppose this one. I'm just showing for a reference. There's no value for this file to copy and insert in a pen drive. When you go to another office, you will not see any of the document because it's see when I'm highlighting it, it's showing me the location. And when you go to your another office and you insert your pen drive, you can't see that location because the location is of your earlier PC where you have copy pasted the files. That's what the idea is. So basically you have to do it manually. Mostly do not hurry in this file because your very important files will get cracked up if you do like this, and your boss will shout on you. So it's better to do calmly or do it professionally. Thank you.